Hi, I'm Craig, Silverbird's lead designer. I'd like to show you how you log into Silverbird and how you access your currency accounts. So we start at the login page here. So I'm going to put in my username and password. So you're going to be sent a verification code. So this will be sent as a text message to your phone. Go to your phone and collect that 6-digit SMS code that's been sent to you. I'm going to type mine in now. And here we are logged into the platform. So by default you'll arrive in the accounts view. This is showing you the currency accounts that you have set up. As you can see in my account I have a US dollar, GBP and a Euro account set up with some funds in it. So that's how you log into your Silverbird currency account.